Most people think ChatGPT is just about asking questions and getting answers. But here's the secret, the real power of AI lies in how you talk to it. And that's where prompt engineering comes in. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock ChatGPT's full potential with the art of crafting the perfect prompt. Let's do a quick test. If I type, write me a business idea, ChatGPT gives me something generic. But if I say, act as a startup advisor, suggest 3 innovative tech business ideas for students with a low budget, and explain why they could succeed, boom. The results are 10x more valuable. Prompt engineering is basically the skill of designing better instructions for AI. Think of it as programming with words. The more precise you are, the smarter your output becomes. Tips for prompt engineering. 1. Be specific. Instead of asking, write me a blog, say, write me a 500-word blog post for beginners about CSS with clear examples. 2. Set the role, tell Chat who it should be. Example, act as a coding tutor, or be my content marketing expert. 3. Use step-by-step instructions, guide AI like you'd guide a person. 4. Refine and iterate, don't stop at the first answer. Improve your prompt, and the output improves too. For students, turn complex topics into simple explanations. For businesses, generate marketing copy, emails, and product ideas. For developers, debug code, generate SQL queries, or even create app. For creators, write video scripts, like this one, blogs, or social media posts. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a tool that adapts to how well you communicate with it. Mastering prompt engineering is like getting the keys to a supercar. Once you know how to drive it, there's no limit to where it can take you. So, try these techniques, experiment with your prompts, and watch how your AI game changes forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And drop your best prompt in the comments, I might feature it in my next video.